Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Who has joined? Please reply so that I will be knowing. Good afternoon. Those who have joined. Hi Piyush. Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. Hi Shrutika and everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to start new topic, and that is quadratic equation, second chapter of mathematics 1, and it is also most important chapter. Today I am going to complete practice set 2.1. So we are not going to waste time. We are going to complete today that practice set, which is quite comfortable and easy, and mostly from this practice set 100% 1 marks question is there, and sometime 2 marks question is there, and every mark is most important for us. Hi Naren and Geet, Shrutika and Piyush, so 4 of you have joined, and now it is turn of Pranjal. Hi Pranjal. So I can see 5 of you have joined. So let's move towards our first sum, but let me tell you what is called as a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, hi Amrut, quadratic equation is a equations which having maximum index power, that is 2. You know, when a one index power is there, it is called as a linear equation. When it is 2, it is called as a quadratic equation. When it is 3, it is called as a cubic equation. So here we are studying quadratic equation, and quadratic equation having only one variable. See, last topic was linear equation in two variable, where two variables were there. Here only one variable is there. So let's move towards the first sum now everyone. Hi Prathamesh. So let's move towards the first sum now. Wait for a minute. And those who have joined, please like the video. Your like gives me inspiration for my next video. So please do like everyone, those who have joined meantime. Please everyone like the video, those who have joined. So now you can see the screen, and please reply me whether my screen is visible and you can see the words clearly. Please give me fast answer because we have to move forward. I think now it is quite comfortable and visible. Let me know your answer fast everyone. Can the visibility, hi. Okay, I got answer from you people, and I'm really thankful, Amrut and Geet and Shrutika. So let's move towards the first point. So what is that first point of today's chapter, that is quadratic equation? So first thing we are going to study is standard form. So what does it is called as a standard form of quadratic equation? If you will concentrate, it will be better for you. Hi Prathamesh. See, standard form of quadratic equation. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation? You can see here, that is ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So in quadratic equation, there is always one variable. You can see here, x is the only variable. X is the only variable in the equation. Secondly, this A, B, C are real numbers. See, last year we have studied about real numbers. Yes, this is Maths 1 Chapter 2. Yes, you are asking me this question now. Let me answer you. This is Maths 1 Chapter 2. Maths 1 Chapter 2. Okay, everyone. So everybody got the answer, and many of you have joined but not yet liked the video. So please like the video and look here. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here x is the only variable in the equation. And what is the maximum index number? It is 2. Maximum index number is 2, and always a is not equals to 0. If a is 0, then we can't say it is a quadratic equation. Okay, everyone. So basic concepts are clear. Please reply me if your basic concepts are real, then only we can move forward. Answer me fast, everyone. Let me see your answers on screen, that you understood which is the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is 0, where a, b, c are real number. Okay, most of you are giving answer that a, b, c are real number, and they are, a is not equals to always 0, and moreover that x maximum index number is 2. So if all these satisfy, then it is called as a quadratic equation. Okay, everyone, I got answer from Mansi, Geet and Pranjal. So let's move to the next, and let's start the practice set. So everyone, look here on the screen. This is first question of practice set 2.1. So what is that question? Please everyone like the video. Most of you have not liked. Please I request you to like the video. See, write any two quadratic equation. This is called as OEQ question. What is the meaning of OEQ? Open-ended question. Open-ended question. What is the meaning of open-ended? We have to write two quadratic equation. आपल्याला दोन quadratic equations लिहायचे तर आपण आपल्या मनाने लिहायचे असतात, आणि मनाने लिहायचे त्यामुळे इथे काही प्रत्येकाचा आन्सर कसं असेल डिफरंट. तर आपल्याला दोन quadratic equations इकडे लिहायचे आहेत. तर पहिलं मी लिहिते एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x प्लस 6 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तर हा पा कोणता व्हेरिएबल आहे इकडे? एक्स. त्याचा मॅक्झिमम इंडेक्स नंबर काय आहे? 2. आणि एक्स स्क्वेअर म्हणजे इकडे कोण आहे? कोइफिशियंट 1. सो ए 1 आहे, बी 5 आहे आणि सी 6, विच आर रियल नंबर, अँड ए इज नॉट 0. सो धिस वे इट इज अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. तर हे मी एक क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन लिहिले. आता दुसरं लिहिते. 6y स्क्वेअर मायनस 9y plus 21 is equals to 0. So here in this second quadratic equation, you see which is the variable? Y is the variable. Only one variable you can see, that is y. And y maximum index number is 2. So it is quadratic. And third, a is 6, b is minus 9 and c is 21, which are real number. So this is a quadratic equation. Hi Arnav, I am happy that you have joined today. All those who have joined, please like it. I got very less like today. So please like the video first. आता आपण क्वेश्चन 2 कडे जाऊया. आय थिंक माझ्याबरोबर तुम्ही पॅरलल आन्सर्स लिहिता ते. सो लेट अस राईट इट. क्वेश्चन 2, डिसाइड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. तर क्वेश्चन 2 मध्ये असा क्वेश्चन आहे की आपल्याला फाइंड करायचं आहे की कोणते क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन्स आहे. तर पहिला आपल्याला दिला आहे एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस 5x मायनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तर हा इक्वेशन क्वाड्रॅटिक आहे की नाही हे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? चेक करायचं आहे. So here in this equation, x is only variable with highest index, which is 2. You can see which is the variable here. So solution, what we will write here in the equation, only one variable x is there with highest index 2. You can see x square is there. So what is index here? That is 2. Hi Lakshmi. So the index is 2. And see here what is a? by comparing it with standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here a is x square, nothing is there, means a is 1, b is 5 and c is minus 2. So a, b, c are real numbers. You can see a is 1, b is 5 and c is minus 2. All these are real numbers and a is 1, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. So everybody understood which are the important things that you have to find out. First of all, you have to see highest is the variable 1. ह्या इक्वेशनचा एकच व्हेरिएबल आहे. सेकंड इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग हायेस्ट इंडेक्स and third important thing, a should not be 0. If these three things satisfy, then we can say the given equation is a quadratic equation. सगळ्यांना कळतंय का कोणत्या तीन गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या आहे? Absolutely everybody is getting. I got only one answer. Rest of you also answer so that I can understand you are getting it. So I got answer from Piyush and Shrutika. Rest of you answer it fast. So everybody understood to decide whether given equation is a quadratic equation or not, what we have to see whether it has only one variable, second that variable highest index is 2 and third a is not equals to 0. Very good Prathamesh. So I think most of you has given me answer. Only actually 3 of you have given answer, but I cannot wait. Shall I move to the next one now? So Amrut, very good, excellent, you are giving answer. Rest of you also answer me so that I get motivated and I feel that you are concentrating. Okay, so we are on second one. Good, Geet. So what is that? That is y square is equals to 5y minus 10. First of all, we have to write in standard form. आपल्याला हे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे. गुड मानसी. तर आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे म्हणजे हे 5y लेफ्टला पाठवायचे आणि -10 पण लेफ्टला. सो हे इक्वेशन काय होईल? y स्क्वेअर. हा 5y इकडे आला की -5y आणि -10 लेफ्टला आले की +10. यू नो whenever the in equation from right any term jump to left, it change its signs. Okay everyone. So आता आपण ह्याला पहा, it having only one variable. Here equation having only one variable y with highest index. What is the highest index? That is 2. Now by comparing it with standard form, what is the standard form? Ay square plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now it is variable y, so we have to write standard form in terms of y, that is ay square plus by plus c is equals to 0. So what will be a here? A will be 1. जसं आपण लिनियरला करत होतो तसंच आहे. b काय असेल? b will be -5 and what is c? That is 10. So a, b, c are real number, therefore a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equals to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Everybody understood? Here also we have checked 3 important steps. First, only one variable y. Second, highest index is 2. Third, A, B, C are real number and A is not equals to 0, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. I think everybody of you understood. Let us see the third one. So what is third one? That is y square plus 1 upon y is equals to 2. See here, one denominator is there, and every time I have told you, whenever there is denominator, we don't like denominator. And how to remove denominator? By multiplying that equation by denominator, and here it is y. So let us multiply this equation by y. So multiply equation by y. So y square into y plus, this is first term, then y into 1 upon y, and y into 2. So see here, Amrut and Pranjal and Piyush, good, you have replied me. So let us remove y. So what happened to this equation? Y square into y, that is y cube, plus 1, that is equals to 2y. Now here if you observe this equation, it having only one variable y, but his highest index is 3, which is not 2, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Here equation having only one variable y, but highest index is 3, which is not 2. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Did everybody understood what I am explaining you? तर हे जे आपलं थर्ड सम होतं त्याच्यामध्ये आपण सगळ्यात पहिले डिनॉमिनेटर कॅन्सल केलेला आहे, आणि डिनॉमिनेटर कॅन्सल केलेल्यावरती आपल्याला वाय क्यूब प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2y. ह्याला जर आपण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं झालं तर वाय क्यूब हा 2y लेफ्टला घेतला तर -2y प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 होईल. इथे आहे ना व्हेरिएबल तर एकच आहे, y हा एकटाच व्हेरिएबल आहे, पण इथे हायेस्ट इंडेक्स नंबर काय झालेला आहे तो 3 झाला आहे, आणि क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनमध्ये हायेस्ट इंडेक्स काय पाहिजे 2, अँड दॅट इज रॉंग, अँड देअरफॉर दिस इज नॉट अ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. आय थिंक एव्हरीबडी ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड. प्लीज रिप्लाय फास्ट so that we can move forward. Today we want to complete this practice set. So please hurry up, reply me fast everyone, please. I want your answers fast. Okay, Geet, Amrut and Pranjal, and let's move to the next one now. Can you see on screen fourth one? So in this fourth one also you can see there it is x which is a denominator, and we don't like denominator, so let us multiply this equation by x. Multiply equation by x. So first term I will multiply, so x into x plus x into 1 upon x is equals to x into -2. So x into x, that is x square, plus this x will be cancelled, so it will be 1. Okay everyone, and here it is, that is equals to -2 into x minus 2x. Therefore what will be my equation? Let us write it in the standard form. So what will be that equation? Let me see here. That will be x square as it is, but minus 2x will jump to left hand side, and it will change its sign. So minus 2x will become plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay everyone. So this, let us compare this equation with standard form. Okay. No, it's not a quadratic equation because it having two variables. Your question, you have given x and y two variables. Okay. So here it is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now here only x, one variable is there. Here equation having only one variable, that is x, with highest index 2. See everyone, see this equation, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. It having only one variable, that is x, its highest index is 2. And by comparing it with standard form, what is that standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. What will be a? That is 1. B will be 2 and c will be 1. So here a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equals to 0. A is 1 which is not equals to 0. Therefore a it is a quadratic equation. Okay everyone, so everybody, let me explain you again if you are not getting. So what was my question? My question was x plus 1 upon x is equals to negative 2. Here denominator is x and we don't like denominators. We have to remove the denominator, and for that we have to multiply equation by denominator, that is x. So I multiply each term by x. X into x, 1 upon x into x, and minus 2 into x. This x cancel. So x into x square plus 1 is equals to minus 2x. Let us convert it into standard form. So this negative 2x will jump here and that will be positive 2x. When we compare it, look here, this equation having only one variable x, its maximum index number is 2, highest index is 2, and here a, b, c, all these, a is 1, b is 2, c is 1, all are real numbers, and a is not equals to 0, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Let me know everyone, those who have joined, whether you understood or not, so that we can move forward. Please reply fast everyone. I want your replies. Okay, Piyush, so you are getting, Amrut is getting, very good Amrut. Rest of you also reply. Hi. Hi Nikita, yes definitely I will start in June, your 10th, 11th class also. I am 100% sure I will be starting from June. Okay. So let's see here. Now the fifth question, and I got answer from Prathamesh, Geet, Pranjal and Manse. Very good. So let's move to the next question. This is the question. What is that? M plus 2 into another bracket m minus 5 is equals to 0. So let us open this. We have to convert it into standard form. So let's open it. सो वॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू, एम हा जो एम आहे त्याला सेकंड ब्रॅकेटनी मल्टिप्लाय करू, ओपन द ब्रॅकेट करतो आहे आणि प्लस 2नी पुन्हा आपण कशाला मल्टिप्लाय करू, एम मायनस 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, आता ओपन द ब्रॅकेट, आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, ओपन द ब्रॅकेट. सो एम इंटू एम दॅट इज एम स्क्वेअर, एम इंटू मायनस 5 दॅट इज मायनस 5m, एम इंटू 2 2m, and minus 5 2s are minus 10 is equals to 0. Now this m square let us write as it is, minus 5m plus 2m that is minus 3m minus 10 is equals to 0. So this is my equation. Now you can see here only one variable is there. Which is that one variable? That is m, and its highest index is 2. M square minus 3m minus 10. Here you can see m is the variable. So what you will write here? Equation having only one variable m. Which is the variable? That is m with highest index 2. With highest index 2. Now let us compare it with the standard form. By comparing it with standard form, so what is that now in terms of m, right? am square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. So this is your standard form. So what will be A? A will be 1. Here A is 1, B is negative 3 and C is negative 10. So A, B, C are real numbers and A is not equals to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. So everybody understood? Please reply. What we have done, we have opened the bracket. Those who have joined just now, do like the video and please reply fast to me whether you are getting or not. First we open the bracket, we got standard form which was am square plus bm plus c. Here m is the only variable with maximum index number 2, and here a, b, c are real numbers and a is 1 which is not 0, therefore it is a quadratic equation. So everybody understood which points you have to cover? Only one variable. Its highest index must be 2. Then a, b, c real number and a is not equals to 0. If all these satisfy, it is called as a quadratic equation. Very good all of you. As you are giving answer, I am feeling better that you are concentrating. I am not taking your names now because we have to move forward, but I have seen those who have given me answers. So let's see the sixth one. So here also we have one question, that is m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equals to 3m cube. So this 3m cube, if we will take to left hand side, it will be negative 3m cube. So m cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay everyone. Now see, m cube minus 3m cube, that is minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Looking at the quadratic equation, you can say that it having only one variable. Which is the variable here? That is m. But what is the highest index? Highest index is 3, which is not 2. And if it is not 2, then it is not a quadratic equation. Okay everyone? Here m is only one variable, but highest index is 3, which is not 2. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. So everybody understood this? Let me get replies from you that you understood or not. So in this question, what was the things? That it is having only one variable m, but its highest index is 3 and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. So everybody understood? Okay Amrut, and I got answer from Pranjal and Piyush. Rest of you please reply. Okay Mansi, others also reply fast so that we can go to the question number 3. Can you see on screen now question number 3? Please reply fast. Yes, correct Prathamesh and Pranjal and Geet. So let's move to the next question 3. So first of all, let us understand question number 3. तर आपण इथे question number 3 understand करून घेऊ आणि त्यानंतर solve करूया. Okay? Okay. See here. Write the following quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. तर आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये इक्वेशन लिहायचं आहे and write the values of a, b, c for each quadratic equation. आणि आपल्याला व्हॅल्यूज पण लिहायच्या आहेत a, b, c च्या. ओके एव्हरीवन. सो चला आता आपण स्टार्ट करूया फर्स्ट सम. सो आपल्याला दोन गोष्टी करायच्या. एक तर आपल्याला इक्वेशनला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे आणि दुसरं म्हणजे ए बी सीच्या व्हॅल्यू. तर इथे पहा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन काय दिलेलं आहे, 2y इज इक्वल्स टू 10 मायनस वाय स्क्वेअर. आता क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनमध्ये सगळ्या जे व्हेरिएबल्स असतात किंवा कॉन्स्टंट असतात सगळे लेफ्ट हँड साईडला असतं, राईट हँड साईडला फक्त 0 असतं. तर हे दोन्ही 10 आणि -y² आपण लेफ्टला घेऊया, ते साईन चेंज करतील. तर काय होईल, हा -y² इकडे आला की +y² +2y आणि हा +10 इकडे आला की -10 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. So this is our standard form. This is standard form. Now by comparing it with standard form, so what is the standard form? ay² plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now compare it with this standard form. So a will be 1, b will be 2, and what is c? That is -10. So here for writing standard form you will get half marks, and for writing ABC correctly you will get half marks. So this type of questions are 100% asked for 1 marks in our board exam. So everybody understood this question. You have any question you can ask me, otherwise we can move forward. So two things we have to do. First we have to convert equation into standard form, and secondly we have to find values of ABC. Everybody understood? Yes, I got answer from Piyu, Shrutika and Geet. Rest of you also give fast answers so that we can move forward. Please reply me fast everyone. Okay Lakshmi, very good Lakshmi. So shall I move to the next one? As we are wasting time, I should not waste time here. So we are on second question. So first of all, we will convert this equation. Very good Amrut and Prathamesh and Mansi. So look here. What is the next question? That is x minus 1 bracket square is equals to 2x plus 3. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना प्रांजल गुड, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना हा एक इक्वेशन आठवतोय का? नसेल आठवत तर मी इकडे लिहून देते तुम्हाला. a मायनस बी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअरचा फॉर्म्युला a² मायनस 2ab प्लस b². हा फॉर्म्युला आठवतोय का तुम्हाला? डू यू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्म्युला एव्हरीवन? प्लीज रिप्लाय. a मायनस बी ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू a² मायनस 2ab प्लस b². ओके, ह्या फॉर्म्युलाचा इथे आपण यूज करणार आहोत. तर पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला ब्रॅकेट सॉल्व करायचं आहे. सो हे जे आपण लिहिलेलं आहे x मायनस 1 ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, तर x म्हणजे a समजायचा आणि 1 म्हणजे b. तर काय आन्सर येतं? a² म्हणजे x² मायनस 2, a म्हणजे काय? x, b म्हणजे काय? 1, अँड प्लस b² म्हणजे 1चा स्क्वेअर दॅट इज 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2x प्लस 3. ओके, सो x² 2 इंटू x मायनस 2x, आणि हा जो 2x आहे तो इज इक्वल टू साईनच्या इकडे आला की मायनस 2x होईल, प्लस 1, आणि हा 3 इकडे आला की -3 इज 0. आता पहा, कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा म्हणजे तुम्हाला कळेल. इकडे x² तसंच आहे, आणि हे पहा -2x काय होईल? -4x. काय होईल? येस, ॲब्सल्युटली करेक्ट, -4x, आणि इथे 1 - 3 दॅट इज -2x इज इक्वल्स टू 0. So this is my standard form, x² minus, what is this? This is my standard form. सो आपण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिलं की आपल्याला करेक्ट हाफ मार्क्स मिळून जातात. आता ह्याला कंपेअर करू बाय कंपेअरिंग इट विथ स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. सो जर आपण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म बरोबर जर कंपेअर केलं तर पहा, यस श्रुतिका अँड प्रांजल, यू आर ॲब्सल्युटली करेक्ट. बाय कंपेअरिंग इट विथ स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म, कोणता स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म आहे? x² प्लस bx प्लस c इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो जो आपला इक्वेशन आहे त्याला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म बरोबर कंपेअर करा, तर a काय होईल? इकडे 1 होईल, b काय होईल? -4, आणि c काय होईल? minus 2. So this is my answer. So everybody understood? Is it very easy? पहिले आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे आणि त्यानंतर कंपेअर करून ABCच्या व्हॅल्यूज काढायच्या आहेत. सोपा आहे की नाही? जे जॉईन झालेले आहेत आणि ज्यांनी अजून आपल्या व्हिडिओला लाईक केलं नाही त्यांनी लाईक करून टाका आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल त्यांनी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब पण करा. Shall I move to next sum now? I think we should move because so many sums are there. Yes, Piyush. So what is the question? तर हा जो क्वेश्चन आहे तो असा आहे, पहा तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना दिसतो आहे स्क्रीनवरती. सो इट इज सेकंड वन, सॉरी इट इज थर्ड वन. सो थर्ड वन काय आहे? x² + 5x - 3 - x. तर आता इथे आपण ओपन द ब्रॅकेट करूया. सो x² + 5x इज इक्वल्स टू नेगेटिव्ह इंटू 3 -3 अँड नेगेटिव्ह इंटू नेगेटिव्ह पॉझिटिव्ह x. ह्या दोघांना आता लेफ्ट हँड साईडला पाठवायचं आहे. सो x² तसेच + 5x तसंच. हा x इकडे आला की -x आणि -3 इकडे गेला की +3 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. आता पहा 5x मधनं x गेला की 4x. सो x² + 4x + 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 0 अँड धिस इज युअर standard form. So here you got the half marks when you write the standard form. Yes, absolutely. And now let us compare it with the standard form. By comparing it with standard form, so what is the standard form? ax² + bx + c is equals to 0. What will be a? When nothing is there, a is 1, b is 4 and c is 3. So this is my answer. Isn't it simple? Let me get answers from you all boys. Isn't it simple? What do you feel? पटकन आन्सर्स द्यायचे आहेत. गुड. I got 2 answers. Rest of you also answer it. सोपा आहे ना? Shall I move forward? होईल तेवढं आपण आज कवर करून टाकूया. मग काही राहिलं तर उद्या आहेच आहे. ओके. गुड अमृत अँड गीत, पियुष, मानसी अँड श्रुतिका. अजून वेळ आहे. स्टील वी हॅव टाईम. 15 मिनिट्स आहे. त्यात मी कवर करून टाकेन हा प्रॅक्टिस सेट, कारण जेवढं आपण प्रॅक्टिस करू तेवढाच आपल्याला बेनिफिट आहे. सो आहे अजून 10-15 मिनिट्स आहे. ओके. तर पहा नेक्स्ट 3m² इज इक्वल्स टू 2m² - 9. सो 3m² - 2m² - 9 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. काय केलं मी? ह्या 2m² लेफ्टला घेतलं ते -2m² झाले आणि ह्या -9ला लेफ्टला घेतलं तर ते काय झालं? +9. ओके एव्हरीवन. आता पहा 3m² मधनं 2m² गेले की m² +9 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. पण तुम्ही जर हे आन्सर लिहिलं तर तुम्हाला मार्क्स मिळणार नाही. हे आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे. कोणत्या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे? स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. तर स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये कसं येणार? m². मग एमवाली टर्म नाही आहे ना, तर लिहायचं 0m +9 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो धिस इज वॉट? स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. सो इथे एक महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आपण इकडे शिकलेलो आहोत. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना हे कळलं आहे का की जेव्हा मिडल टर्म नसते तेव्हा आपण काय लिहित असतो? तेव्हा आपण त्याला 0m लिहिलेलं आहे. कळलं आहे? म्हणजे 3 टर्म्समध्ये आपल्याला 100% लिहावं लागतं. सगळेजण कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करा. प्रत्येक सम हे डिफरंट असतं आणि त्यामधनं बऱ्याच गोष्टी आपल्याला शिकायला मिळतात. ओके. तर पहा आता बाय कम्पेअरिंग इट with standard form. So standard form काय आहे? am² + bm + c is equals to 0. So a काय होणार? 1, b काय होणार? 0 आणि c काय होणार? 9. And this is my answer. Is everybody getting? Neelam Darvi. Okay. So everybody understood this was there. Only thing which was new here that middle term was not there. M square नंतर direct constant होता. M ची term नव्हती. तर in place of term M we have written 0M. So this is called as a standard form. If you will write this only you will not get the marks. Clear? So let's move to the next fifth one. So question 3 चा फिफ्थ वन. तर ह्याला पण आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहायचं आहे. तर स्टँडर्ड फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिण्यासाठी आपण काय करूया, ओपन द ब्रॅकेट करूया. 3 इंटू पी दॅट इज 3p. 6p इंटू पी, पी इंटू पी, पी स्क्वेअर, 6p स्क्वेअर. आणि हा -5 इकडे आला की +5 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तर पी स्क्वेअरवाली टर्म नेहमी आपण फर्स्ट लिहू. सो 6p स्क्वेअर प्लस 3p, p वाली सेकंड आणि मग कॉन्स्टंट दॅट इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो दिस इज अवर स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. व्हॉट इज दिस? दिस इज स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म. Standard form. Okay everyone, now compare it by comparing it with standard form. Standard form काय आहे? AP square plus BP plus C is equals to 0. So A काय होईल? 6. B काय होईल? 3. आणि C काय होईल? 5. And this is our answer. Fourth chapter also I will be taking. Don't worry, it will be taken by me. Okay? Okay, I will be taking. So everybody understood? Is any question? खूप सोपं सम होतं. ओपन द ब्रॅकेट केलं, त्यानंतर आपण स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म बरोबर कम्पेअर केलं आणि ABC फाइंड केले. I think we can move forward now. Those who are new to channel, please subscribe my channel. Now we are on the sixth sum. I got answer from many of you. I got answer from Amrut and Neelam as well as Lakshmi. Okay. Now see everyone, we are on the sixth sum. Here what is there? X square minus 9. And this 13, if we'll jump to left, it will be negative 13 is equals to 0. So negative 9, negative 13. So negative 9, negative 13. What is that? Negative 22. Negative 22 is equals to 0. इथे x square ची टर्म आहे, मिडल टर्म नाही आहे. सो वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू राईट हिअर x स्क्वेअर आणि x ची टर्म नाही आहे म्हणून 0x. -22 is equals to 0. Always remember, second term was not there, x term was not there, and whenever x term is not there, we are writing 0x. -22 is equals to 0. So now by comparing it with standard form, x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So what will be a? A is 1. What will be b? Okay, I will be taking this last sum because 43 minutes are there. So rest of the sum I will be taking in next video. A is 1, b is 0 and c is negative 22. So this is my answer. एव्हरीबडी अंडरस्टूड. इकडे पण एक महत्त्वाची गोष्ट होती. व्हॉट वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग दॅट हिअर द सेकंड टर्म एक्स टर्म वॉज नॉट देअर. सो वी कांट राईट एक्स स्क्वेअर -22. वॉट वी हॅव टू राईट? वी हॅव टू राईट मिडल टर्म. सो आफ्टर एक्स स्क्वेअर एक्स टर्म इज देअर, दॅट इज 0x -22 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. अँड 0 इंटू एनिथिंग दॅट इज 0 ओनली. So everybody understood? You have any questions, then you can ask me. Otherwise rest questions we will cover in our next video. And for my children, let me tell, tomorrow I am not going to take, and day after tomorrow we have offline class. Do you remember? So day after tomorrow, mostly first I will take offline class and then we will go for online class. Till then, have a nice day. Bye. Those who have not done like, please do like my video and subscribe it. Bye everyone. Bye.